Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make an image on solid color in Photoshop. Let's begin. Apply method on first staple. Open your image, then create a new layer. Click this icon, create a new fill or adjustment layer. Go to Window tab, Layer Panels, then show this option. Click solid color, use any color, click OK. Then see this blend mode, click the drop down menu, use multiply. Then double click the color icon, red color, then change your color, change any color. OK. Apply method 2, delete to this icon. Use selection, edit, fill, color, press Ctrl D, then apply the same process. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.